सो दोस्तों ये क्लियो का साउट ऐप है। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं इसमें ये क्लेम करते हैं कि दिस विल 1 सेकेंड रिड्यूस हेयर फॉल, प्रोटेक्ट स्किन and prevents bacteria. So packaging is pretty nice. So this one I bought from Amazon. So इसमें ये सारी चीज़ें दिए गए हैं। 1 filter housing. This one is your filter housing. This one. Then इसमें है one filter cartridge, 1 wrench. This one is the cartridge. There's a wrench is there. 1 Teflon tape, 1 adapter, 1 sandpaper, 1 mesh washer. In fact, 2 mesh washers, 2 standard washers, 1 flow restrictor, warranty card, user manual. These are the 2 washers. These are the 2 mesh washers. This is 1 additional tape. So inside, this is how the packing was. Is a bubble pack. So pretty neat packing. And this one is the warranty card. So the benefit of buying from Amazon is you will get this one. So let me get closer. 60 days money back. So for purchase on Amazon, you'll get 60 days money back warranty. So let me do the installation. This is part 1. We'll go for the part 2. So this is how we'll do the installation. This one you got to on this thing, put it inside. This one. This one again, we'll put it inside. This is how it will go inside. And then these 2 got to go inside, 1 or 2. We'll see. Then this thing will go up the red side, and the blue one will be on the downside. It is mentioned there. Here it is mentioned. So then you got to this is how it will be after fitting. So this is part 1. We'll do the installation, then there is part 2. Thank you for watching.